What's up, guys? This is Gerard the Redbeard here, and welcome to another how to draw video. Where today I'm gonna teach you how to draw.
What is up, guys? It's me, Shape
Nice intro, but I think you have to be a little more louder in the future. If you want, I'm not really suggesting you to, but oh yeah, maybe I am. But oh, the camera. Who's shaking the camera? So this is Shape the Ninja Bird. I made her with my Stella. She has these 4-point stars in her cheeks. I think that's why people say that she's related to Blue Jay. And here is the bandana with the little flower. And yeah, here's Shape the Ninja Bird. What was that? I think that was an invisible smoke bomb, because since Shape the Ninja Bird, I think she's a ninja. She leaves behind smoke bombs to disappear, I think. But, that smoke bomb wasn't really invisible. But, it really made me sick a little, but, nah, not really. So, let's get on with the drawing. So, as I said before, she does look a little bit like Stella, so as usual, I'm drawing the oval-like circle. And the difference between Stella and Shape the Ninja Bird is Stella's hair is a little round, while Shape the Ninja Bird's is sharp, like this. Like, similar to a pencil point. Not this, though. Not because of that. And some of her hair is going upwards, while Stella's is... some of Stella's hair are going downwards. And here is her bandana with the big flower on it. And it has 6 petals. I'm not really the best at drawing flowers, so yeah. And Stella's tail is going downwards, while Shape is going upwards, like her hair. And her 4-point stars, like that. And I forgot about this, the face. And here's her beak. And, oh, sorry. Oh, sorry about the paper, guys. It, got a little it got a little crooked. Sorry about that. While I was drawing the eyes. So, here's her eyes. And, I think that is... oh, wait, no. I forgot about some of the bandana showing the back. But, yeah, here is, Shape the Ninja Bird. Almost 100% complete. But in pencil form, she is 100% complete. Now, let me just call her really quick, and I'll see you guys soon. Right, here is Shape the Ninja Bird. 100% complete. Her pupils of her eyes is star, and, the flower petals are purple. Her beak is yellow, and this part of the flower is yellow too, and her tail is black, and the tips of her tail and the whole thing is pink. The points of the hair is supposed to be dark pink, but unfortunately I only have red, but that will do for now. And as I said before, she is related to Blue Jay, so let me... oh, what is this thing? Get rid of it. Get rid of this random number. I think Shape did that. So, let me just draw Blue Jay really quick. Just for fun, I drew Blue Jay right next to Shape. And the reason why I didn't color him is because he's not the subject of this video. So, the comparison, they both have stars on their cheeks, but Hers is 4 points and his is 5. They both have hairs. 3 of them. And I think Blue Jay is similar to a ninja. Oh wait, no, not really. So here is Shape the Ninja Bird, and I'll see you. Oh, why am I always shaking the paper? That was you. So yeah.